Jordan welcomes Chinese tourists with open arms, said Jordanian Minister of Tourism and Antiquities Maqdam Koisi. At a joint press conference Wednesday with Secretary General of the United Nations World Tourism Organization Zurab Pololikashvili at the archaeological site of Amman Citadel, Koisi noted that China is one of the major and promising markets in the world.
بأن الصين من الأسواق الرئيسية والواعدة التي ستقوم الوزارة مع هيئة تنشيط السياحة بزيارات لهذا البلد العظيم المهم لتشجيع الزوار والسياح من الصين والقدوم إلى الأردن. لن تكون زيارتنا محصورة في منطقة واحدة في الصين، سنقوم بزيارة عدة محافظات في الصين. الصين بلد عظيم وكبير وعدد سكانه أيضا هائل. أيضا أقول لهم بأن هذا البلد آمن ومستقر وقوي ومنيع ويستقبلهم برحابة صدر. نفتح قلوبنا ونفتح بيوتنا للزوار من الصين، وهذه الرسالة سأحملها معي عندما أزور هذه الدولة الصديقة والمهمة.
Echoing Koisi's words, Pololikashvili said China is an important partner of the UNWTO, calling on Jordan to enhance the Jordanian-Chinese partnership in the tourism field.
China is a very active member of our organization, and to collaborate and to work to have more presence and more tourists from China, because China is most important market worldwide, and we can make it happen. Chinese tourists, and I know quite well, they are focused and they love cultural tourism. This is one of the best places, and they are traveling a lot, and they have to come here, they have to invest here. It's important as well, because China also is one of the main investors in tourism industry everywhere.
As a main engine of Jordan's economy, the tourism sector contributed 15.6% to the country's GDP last year.